Right. So we have is review of literature and how to write good literature review. Now, the second most important topic is about study designs in epidemiology. So this not only method, but also the qualitative method and the choice of design. Writing about qualitative research, and they were asked to design particular study design that is related to the So we would try to make the things crystal clear in about research that the research decreases the confusion. It makes the things help to reach our objective with evidence. So what are the different types of research? They like to comment on it. Basic research. What is and let me know. What is basic research? Rabia? Dr. Khansa, what is the difference between basic and applied research? Please unmute your mic. And
Madam, basic research is actually justification or fundamental research related to any scientific question, whereas in applied research, there is applicability or knowledge to be applied or develop the theories.
In basic research, we design over topic of the research, and in applied research, we can collect the data and define our sample size and work on it.
anybody else?
Madam, actually, the basic research is usually we understand the natural phenomena, but we not intervene the nature. But in applied research, we intervene the nature, and mainly it is experimental, in which there is no observational studies, but we could conduct the RCTs. Some sort.
Students about it, and I got in very different answers, right?
Ma'am, can I say something?
For example, some of the research is that is in basic department, and applied research is one that is in clinical departments. No, again, I would say no. So what is basic research? Actually, it is according to the definition. We have seen that there are two parts of definition. Either it is creation of new knowledge, addition in the existing knowledge. So the basic research creation of new knowledge. For example, chromosomes that are linked with certain diseases. We all know that the Down syndrome has been associated with chromosome anomaly, right? And was a new finding at a certain period of time. So that was in the invention of a bulb, invention of a vehicle, invention of some car. When there was, as Wright brothers have done, they have invented an aeroplane, right? So what was their research? It was a basic research. they have created something new, right? So the basic research is creation of new knowledge. However, what is applied research? Applied research is once the knowledge has been created, then applying it to certain clinical settings or for the use of human services or the use of anybody else. That is the applied research. So I think those departments are very lucky where the basic research is going on because they are creating new knowledge. You can even see in the scenario of COVID-19, when the vaccines they are developed, it is the part of basic research. But now, once the vaccine has been still we are looking forward for the amount of or the titers of antibodies or the amount of protection it has been offered, the efficacy of the drugs or the vaccines, as well as how these would sustain over time, how many months, how many weeks, how many days. That is the part of applied research, right? So the basic research is one that is for creation of new knowledge, and the applied research is application of that knowledge that has been created either in the form of addition to the existing knowledge would work or would not work, right? For example, there are certain drugs that have been giving side effects. Later, they were found in applied research that this particular side effect has been associated with this particular drug, etc. So I would like your opinion now. Which of this research of these two types, basic research and applied research, which one is having a longer duration, is more difficult to conduct, or has more cost? Basic research, yes, basic research, right? Basic, why? Because in basic research, someone is looking for something that has never been developed, or something very new. So there are more chances of failure rather than success. So in order to have high efficacy, it is more difficult. And as we are having more failures, more cost is applied to it, right? And it is rather than to check anything that has been created. So let's have other epidemiological research like lab research applies knowledge of basic sciences toward development of procedures and strategies to prevent, control, and understand mechanisms of health-related phenomena. Right. Then we have epidemic investigation. What do you think all these stand? Okay, I'm doing it. Right. जी कहाँ पर आपका क्या ख्याल है कहाँ पर आएंगी? लैब रिसर्च किसका पार्ट होगी, बेसिक रिसर्च का या अप्लाइड रिसर्च का? दोनों का हो सकती है, ठीक है। लेकिन जो लैब रिसर्च हमने अभी आपके सामने शो की है, इट इज जस्ट लाइक हैविंग समथिंग दैट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड, नाउ इट इज बीइंग अप्लाइड। सो ये किसका पार्ट होगी? अप्लाइड का, यस। अप्लाइज नॉलेज basic sciences toward development of procedures and strategies to prevent, control, and understand mechanisms of health-related phenomena. तो ये किस part होगी? Applied research का. Then the epidemic investigation. ये किसका part होगी? Basically, possible control measures. COVID-19 एक नई पैंडेमिक आई, तो उसकी जो एपिडेमिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन थी, nothing was known, not even the agent was known. So it is part of basic research. But once it is known, then it becomes the part of applied research. We were not able to see the virus till It was constant research, see. Basic research, clear? Of heredited phenomena in chosen populations, followed by application biostatistical techniques which may allow generalization of okay. Primary data collection methods. Are you with me now, everyone? जी आप सब right primary data collection method is the first to collect the data. Sources क्या हो सकते हैं primary data के? you can start recording, please. Right. So there are many study designs, but most operational one. So my very basic question that what is hypothesis? Anybody?